Okay, guys. I'm gonna try to solve this. So this is a law of cosine problem slash law of sine problem. So a hiker hikes 15 kilometers directly west for point A, then turns in a direction of 80 degrees east of south and height. Okay, so point A. He goes 15 kilometers directly north, south. Never eat soggy worms. Okay, oh yeah, west coast. He goes, starts here, goes here. Then turns, if this is south, he turns in a direction 8 degrees east of south. So he goes this way. And hikes, so 15 km, 7 km. So 7 kilometers to point B, directly back to point A. She'll have to walk a distance of d kilometers from point B to point A. Cosine of A, so this is, or cosine of alpha, what is 3/5. Okay, find d squared. So I don't necessarily know. Turns, okay, so she's at point A, she's here. She turns in a direction of 8 degrees east of south. So she's here, south is this way. She turns 8 degrees. Okay, I don't know. So let's use this. So we have d squared, law of cosine, is equal to 15 squared plus 7 squared minus 2 times 15 times 7 times cosine of alpha. Okay, so d squared is equal to 225 plus 49 minus 210 cosine of alpha. So now we just need, and let's call this cosine of a prime. So we know this is directly that this is a 90-degree angle. So a plus a prime is equal to 90 degrees. So that means that that if you have sine of 0, that's 0. If you have sine of pi over 2, that's 1. So they add up to 1. So I'm fairly sure that's just that would just be 2/5 because it has to add up to 1. I have cosine of pi over 3 plus cosine of pi over 2 pi over 3. Pi over 3, I don't know. It needs to add up to 90. Let's try pi over 2. No, pi over 4 plus pi over 4 plus cosine of pi over 4 is equal to root 2 over 2 plus square root 2 over 2, which is just root 2. So, no. It does not add to 1. That's great. Well, let's see. So we know this equality that alpha prime plus alpha equals 90 equals pi over 2. No, I'll just do 90 degrees. Cosine of alpha plus a is equal to cosine, which is cosine of 90, which is just 0. So we know that cosine of these two together must equal 0. Of course. Now, if we use cosine angle addition, which would be cosine a prime cosine a minus sine a prime sine a, I believe, is equal to 0. I think that's it. Let's plug this in. So we know a is equal to 3/5. So cosine a prime times 3/5. Sine a. So what we're gonna need to do is we have cosine is 3/5. So is opposite of our hypotenuse. So we have 3 squared plus a. Oh my god. X squared is equal to 5 squared. So 9 plus x squared is equal to 25. X squared is equal to 16. X is equal to 4. Let's use 2/5 and put this in here and see what happens. So 2/5, put it in here. We have 225 plus 49 minus 210 times 3/5. So 225 plus 49 minus over 10 would be 21. It would be 42 times 3, so it would be 126. So 49 plus 225 minus 126. Okay, so this minus 126 would be 99. 49 plus 99, I think that'd be 99. Minus 100 would be 125. Minus 26, yeah, is equal to 148 would be my answer. I think if it's 2/5, which I'm fairly sure it is, because sine would be 4/5. Sine would be 4/5. Yeah, this makes sense. I'm just gonna check it. Sorry, guys. Nope, it's 106. Why must I have a cosine of 4/5? That doesn't make sense to me. I got the law of cosines right. But the thing is, it should have an angle of 4/5, but I don't know why. Because I feel like that would be sine, and sine plus cosine don't equal 1. right? Sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. But what I'm saying... Let's draw this out. I have a triangle. 1 is 4, 1 would be 3, and 1 would be 5. So cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent over hypotenuse, 3/5, this one. Now, we want to know, oh wait, I want to check, did I get the complement must be that. So I got the angle right with this, like, south thing. But if cosine is 3/5, 1 minus, or 90 minus would be this one, and then that just equals that. That makes so much sense. That makes so much sense. So what I need to remember next time is draw its exclamation point, because that's important, because that really helped me visualize. Okay. Because this, of course, is 90 degrees minus this. Right, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.